Hello Excel champions, it's William aka Dr. Excel. Today I'm going to show you how to open the calculator from Excel. We're going to open Windows as a native calculator from Excel, and we're going to use a button so we can have a shortcut to open it. So I'm going to show you how we can make such a button, and in Excel with the macro you're going to be able to download the file with all the code right below. And I will show you how to do this. So first I want to create a button. So we're going to insert a button. We're going to say it's going to open a macro that we're going to call compute or calculator new. So we're going to create this macro, and actually it's very simple. We're going to use the following code, which is application dot activate Microsoft app, and then we have to choose the number of the application we want to use. So like maybe PowerPoint is number 5, Outlook is number 17, I don't know, but for the calculator it's going to be 0. And so we're just going to use this one line here to display the calculator. Okay, I can save this and close my VBA editor. And this, when I click it, it's going to open the native calculator of Windows, so you can make your calculations the way you want. So that's the first thing that you can do. The problem with that is basically it's tied to a file, so it's going to be available only in that file. So I'm just going to change the title, edit text. I'm going to put calculator. So maybe we want to have the calculator open, a shortcut that is always available, and that's something you can do as well. You can put it as a shortcut up there in the ribbon. So it's going to be available on any file, because actually the application doesn't have a link to anything that's in our sheet. So for that, you can go in the ribbon up there, and you can choose more commands. So you're going to go on under Customize Access Toolbar, More Commands, or into the Excel options directly. And then here you have all the list of all commands that are available, and you can choose which one you want to display in the quick access toolbar. And so the command that we want is commands not in the ribbon. So it's basically every one of them. And we're going to go to C for calculator, which is here, and you can add it on your toolbar. Okay. And then I have a shortcut for the calculator as well, which will display anytime you push this button. So that's a convenient way to have a quick access to the calculator if you don't have one on your desk. And this way it's going to be available on any file within one click of a button. So I hope it's going to be helpful to you. As usual, you can download the file right below, and I will see you tomorrow for a new Excel tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe. This way you'll be notified when I publish. See you tomorrow, champions. Ciao.